Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the changes of financial reporting syllabus from September 2023 to June 2024. There has been some changes in this syllabus, so it is recommended that you get the latest textbook and the revision kit for FR. So now, first let us go to the changes in the syllabus of financial reporting. And before I start this video, let me tell you something. If you are planning to give FR from September 2023 and also SBR for the SBR students, I personally recommend you to go and watch out Miss Tashwita Gupta's video. She have uploaded on her channel. You must be knowing her. She's the youngest ACCA affiliate, and she's also a very good mentor for IFRS, both for financial reporting as well as SBR. So do contact her and also watch out her YouTube channel if you are planning to do self-study for financial reporting and SBR. And if you want offline courses and all, I think she provides that too. So do contact with her to know the details more. Okay. But you can also watch my videos on my YouTube channel just to know about the syllabus, the overall changes, and also I've uploaded SBR lecture on my YouTube channel as well. But I have not uploaded for financial reporting currently. I don't have any lecture for financial reporting. I'm planning to do it in the future. Okay, but Miss Tashwita Gupta, she already has done it, so she will be a very good guidance for you. She can guide you well because she have experience on that. Okay, my expertise is on AFM and taxation and all that field, but nevertheless. Because it is requested by students on my channel that they want to know uh, the changes in the syllabus for financial reporting, hence I've come up with this video. But already there are changes on financial reporting video available on other YouTube channels as well. But I personally recommend you Ms. Tashwita Gupta. Okay, she's a very good mentor for IFRS because I personally have watched her videos and I would recommend you to watch it too. Okay, so let us go with the changes in the syllabus. Uh, okay, so there are some changes in the syllabus, yes. So I will only go through the main changes wherever there are some impact that is going to take place. If there are any changes in the wordings and all, that is not so important. But yes, wherever there are something new that is added or something that is deleted, that is of our concern. So IFRS standard changed to IFRS accounting standard. Not much change, it will not have any impact. Then there is a new learning outcome. Okay, that is you have to know the roles of ISSB, that is International Sustainability Standard Board. So if you have seen in on other papers also, the focus is more on sustainability. If you see on AFM also, green finance they've introduced, same for financial management sustainability, same for performance management, um, ethics for budgeting. So everywhere they have introduced this word sustainability and ethics. I've seen that in all the papers for this year. So that is the change, and this has been removed. A4. Earlier, you under some conditions for consolidation you could be exempted. Now you cannot be exempted. You have to consolidate if you're a subsidiary. Okay, the for the fair value. Okay, so so basically you have to explain why the fair value of a purchase consideration could be less than the fair value of the acquired net asset and how the difference should be accounted for. In other words, it is known as bargain purchase, where you are paying less for the value of the assets, net asset of your subsidiary. That is known as bargain purchase. It's added. It's already there in SBR, but in financial reporting it's added now. Okay, and your inventory and biological asset, is changed to inventories and agriculture. Both comes in separate standard, but agriculture comes under IS 41 and inventories comes under IS 2. Okay, but when you are like in your chapter wise, in your learning outcomes, it is given together. It's not given according to the standard. IS 1, IS 2 is not like that. If you see the syllabus, I'll show you through the syllabus. It comes together. Okay, so that heading changed. Then this is an important area. Your sale proceeds. Okay, your sale proceeds are equal to your fair value. In your financial reporting exam, it's always sale proceed equal to fair value. Okay, for financial reporting exam, it's given here. Sale proceed will always be equal to the fair value in FR exam. Then for provisions, okay, added decommissioning and changed from provision. So this wording, provision for future repairing or refurbishment, has been changed to restructuring. Okay, and they have added decommissioning. Then they have added and deductible. And deductible. So they have added this word for B8B. Then they remove the provisions of. Then they remove creative accounting and window dressing. Then this has been combined together, this two, 1 and 2. First one was where you have to interpret financial statement including statement of cash flow, okay, together with other financial information to give advice on the perspective of different stakeholder. And this one is also the same, but you interpret statement of cash flow to assess the performance and position. This one is to give advice to different stakeholders. Now it has been taken under one. Okay, they have been combined in one. Earlier it was in two separate objective learning outcome. Now it's combined into a single learning outcome. And also they have added non-financial also. Now you have to see non-financial information also, not just financial information. That is the only change. Then they have deleted corporate and added and financial information. Here also and financial information. And that's the only change. So if I take you, just briefly I will take you right now, because when I start with my financial reporting lecture, which I'm planning to start by after the September exam gets over for December session. Okay, I'm yet not sure, but that's what I'm planning. So I will explain you the syllabus in detail, but just I will take you briefly through the syllabus just to have a overall view of how the syllabus of financial reporting looks like. So if you see here, I'm not going to take you through the detailed syllabus guideline, but there are syllabus has been divided into 4 separate parts. First part is your conceptual and reporting framework. Okay, all about what makes an information useful, then how do you recognize and measure assets, liabilities, income, equity, expense, the 5 elements. General, okay, and the regulatory framework, ethics is there in your section A. Section B, we are focusing on the standards, the IFRS standards and the IAS standards. For example, here we have non-current assets, okay, tangible non-current assets, IS 16, then intangible assets, IS 38, impairment of assets, IS 36, inventories, agriculture, IS 2 and IS 41. Financial instruments is divided into 3 separate standards, IFRS 7, IFRS 9 and IS 32. Then we have leasing, IFRS 16. Then we have provision, IS 37, and events after reporting period, that is IS 10. Taxation, IS 12. Reporting financial performance, okay, that is all your income statement and all. Revenue, IFRS 15. Government grant, IS 20. Then foreign currency transaction, IS 15. I've covered all this standard on my SBL lecture. For my SBL lecture, if you want, you can take help for SBL lecture. Currently, since I don't have any financial reporting lecture, But soon I'll be doing financial reporting lecture, but for December exam, not for September. Then for C, we have to interpret financial statement of single as well as group. You can be given any one of it, okay? So here you might have to calculate ratios, you have to interpret ratios, and for non-profit and public sector entity as well as for profit sector. Then D, preparation of financial statement, okay? Either for single or consolidated. In SBR, your question number 1, you have to, it's about consolidated financial statement only. But for financial reporting, both you have to know, okay, single as well as consolidated. And E is basically working around your CB platform, all the tools and all. You should know how to write your answer on Excel as well as Word, how to present, all those things. We'll be doing it when we do questions. Okay, I will demonstrate you how to learn those skills. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do watch my other videos where I've discussed the syllabus changes for other subjects such as performance management, taxation, audit assurance, all the F level papers, F5 to F9. And also I'll be introducing the P level papers syllabus changes. Take care.